Welcome to the Hitachi ID Systems demo series featuring Hitachi ID Bravura privilege. This video will demonstrate the near real-time monitored session viewer and the ability of permitted session observers to terminate high-risk access as needed. High-risk access to sensitive accounts can require supervision, and sadly is sometimes misused or abused. Leaders require the ability to monitor sessions in real time and to act quickly to terminate access immediately if activity becomes suspicious. Hitachi ID Bravura privilege can record user activity in near real time, with only a 10 to 15 second delay. Using this feature, the 4 eyes principle can be applied to high-risk access if necessary. Users with sufficient privileges in Bravura privilege can monitor active recordings in near real time using the built-in session viewer. Beginning in version 12 of Bravura privilege, session observers can terminate access from the viewer if they believe access is being misused or abused. For this demonstration, Billy Greer from the IT security team is a user with sufficient privileges to view and terminate an active monitored session. Caleb is a member of the Unix/Linux team. He will log in to a saved session on a Windows server. Billy will view and then terminate Caleb's active monitored session. First, we'll launch Bravura privilege, expand the Unix/Linux team, and log in as Caleb. We can bypass authentication for this demo. Caleb clicks on Privileged Access. The system has automatically checked out his personal admin account, Caleb F. Admin, when he logged in, and he has a saved session connection using that account to the server Win1. Saved sessions are filtered to display by default. He can select his saved session. To view available actions and details and to load disclosure plugins. Caleb wants to log into the account, so he clicks Login. This launches an RDP session into Win1. He is viewing the desktop. Next, we'll open a second browser tab. Launch Bravura privilege, expand the IT security team, and log in as Billy Greer. Again, we can bypass authentication. Billy wants to supervise Caleb's access to the Caleb F. admin account, so she selects Session Monitor. Note that the Sessions filter shows recent sessions by default. Here is Caleb's session at the top of the list. Session status is active. When Billy clicks on the session row, she can see actions and details on the right. She wants to see what Caleb is up to, so she clicks View. A View session window opens, and the contents of Caleb's desktop will be shown in near real time. Note that this demo configuration is for test purposes only. Better video quality can be obtained by using a different codec and settings. Text details are provided in the table below. Billy doesn't like what she's seeing. Something isn't right. She needs to terminate Caleb's session immediately. To do this, she clicks Check-in Access. A confirmation message appears. To proceed, she clicks Check-in. The active session for Caleb will be terminated immediately. Billy can close the View Session window. Now let's return to Caleb's view. The warning message on his screen indicates that his personal admin account has been forcibly checked in. He clicks OK to close the warning. The status of his saved session now shows checked in by another user, and he can now only request to check out the saved session again. The login and other action options are no longer available. Caleb can expect a meeting request from Billy to discuss his actions that prompted termination of his session. This concludes our demonstration of real-time session monitoring and termination using Hitachi ID Bravura privilege. Thanks for tuning in. Hitachi ID offers a range of demonstration and training options. Click the links in the description below to watch more demo videos or to register for training. Visit our website to learn more.